Hi guys, in today's video we will see that how you can disable the parental control on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first thing, you can go to the Windows search and type the task manager and open it. So once your task manager was open, now click on the services option you are seeing on the top, and now here you have to just look for this service which has the name WPC MONSVC. So this is the parental control service. So you can just right click on that, click on the open services. So now here, now your services will be open. Now here you have to just look for the parental control service. Just scroll down and just look for this, and when you find it, now here you can just right click on your parental control service, click on the properties, and now here in the startup type just click on that and choose it to disabled. After that, just click on the apply and then click on the OK. And I will recommend you to restart your PC, and now your parental control will be disabled. Guys, this is how you can disable the parental control in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.